Hi guys, Tony the Card Geek. We are talking about the spiritual side of the Kipper cards today.
Let's go.
In my groups this week, I have been asked if the Kipper cards even have a spiritual side. This surprised me somewhat with it being a tool of divination. And I know that on this channel, I speak about the systems, the learning of the systems, and I don't go into the spiritual side of life, or as some would say, the woo-woo side of life, so much on this channel. And there is a reason for that. The reason is that we should learn our tools and learn how to use our tools. And the spiritual side of life is a very personal journey. It depends on your belief systems, and it depends a lot on how you feel about spirituality or what your roots are. So today we are going to do a fun spread on how far we are on our spiritual journey and what advice we can gain for our spiritual self. I want you to take out your Kipper cards, remove the MC that is for you. I obviously use the MC2. I remove her, put her on the table in front of me. I then take out the people cards, and the people cards in Kipper show a very nice progression of ourselves, and also, if we are dealing with a spiritual question, our spiritual self. We have the child, which is the start of our spiritual journey. Then we have rich girl, rich gent, good lady, and good gent. Child shows us the start and new beginnings and the newness of our spiritual self. Rich girl then shows a naivety or a carefree attitude in our spiritual journey. Our rich gent is seeking. He is wanting to be the best spiritual self he can be. Our good lady then forms the teaching role and the mentoring role, or a motherly aspect, this sharing the knowledge. And then our good gent would be our sage, the person that you would go to as a spiritual guru, if you like. So we shuffle our people. The other person I haven't looked at is the opposite MC. Obviously I take out the MC2, which is for me, but the opposite MC, we put that in with our people cards and we use that card as our ego, the other side of self. And when we shuffle cards, we choose one person to find out where we are on our spiritual journey. If the opposite MC comes out, this is our personal ego that we are needing to work upon. So you shuffle your people cards. That's where you are on your spiritual journey right now. And I got good lady. Now this is quite apt for what I'm doing now. I am teaching you, obviously, new spread, and also teaching on my spiritual journey. So I am at the stage that I am teaching what I love and the spiritual side of my journey. You then take the remainder of your deck, ask for an advice how you progress on that journey, and pull 3 cards. So these sit together, and then I pull the 3 top cards. We have state of marriage. It is a connector, our short illness, and our house. The state of marriage first shows this connection to what's already happening. So keep the commitment going. There will be short illness then, which means that keep the connection going through the down patches, and then house is stable at the end. So how do I continue on my spiritual journey? I keep what I'm doing already. I maybe bring it down a touch. Maybe I don't need to be so spiritual all the time, and ground with our house at the end. And that's the advice, the simple advice on you using the Kipper cards as a spiritual tool. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you on the next one.